Welcome back to our Linux and open source update series. I'm thrilled to bring you the latest news on the upcoming releases and some exciting changes coming your way. But before I dive in, I have a major announcement. Our latest course on Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners, has launched a new demo. This course is perfect for you if you're looking to begin your Linux journey or brush up your skills. You will find the link to this course in the description below. Now let's dive right into the video. First up, developer Yuri Herrera has just announced the release of Nitrux 3.4, the latest stable version of this distro. However, the new release still includes the older KDE Plasma 5.27.10 desktop environment instead of the newer KDE Plasma 6 that is found in many recent distros. Moreover, Nitrux is committed to using the Maui Shell later in 2024. This shift will allow the developers to focus on Maui Shell and Maui apps while still utilizing KDE technologies. But why this decision to skip KDE Plasma 6? Well, it turns out that Nitrux's custom Plasma desktop, NX Desktop, relies heavily on widgets and plasmoids that haven't been ported to Plasma 6 yet. This gives the Nitrux team the opportunity to refine their Maui offerings while maintaining their unique desktop experience. Besides this, there are some major updates in Nitrux 3.4, such as the Linux kernel will update to 6.7.11, Firefox updated to version 124.0.1, Maui Kit frameworks, and Maui apps updated to version 3.3.0, Nitrux update tool system updated to version 2.1.3 with NVIDIA hardware detection feature, enhancements to the NX desktop utility, and many more. Now let's talk about Linux Mint. You may be aware that Linux Mint 22 latest version is set to release in June or July 2024 based on Ubuntu 24.04 Noble Numbat series, and it will revolutionize its kernel cadence by adopting the Ubuntu HWE stack. This means that with each Ubuntu 24.04 release, users of Linux Mint 22 will receive the latest kernel updates automatically. And let's not forget about Thunderbird. With Ubuntu 24.04 LTS transitioning to a snap package, Linux Mint 22 has stepped up to package Thunderbird as a native deb version. Next up, Pipewire takes the spotlight. Linux Mint 22 will make the switch to Pipewire as the default sound server. This modernization promises improved audio functionality and better integration with applications. This distro has other improvements too, from supporting the new deb 822 format in software sources, adding JXL image support in the Pix photo app, to migration of GNOME online accounts to GTK4, Linux Mint ensures smooth integration with local apps and online services. Moving on, a new official ISO snapshot, the 2024.04.01 version, is now available for Arch Linux. The release of the April 2024 ISO snapshot came a tad early due to a security concern with the exit utils package that affected the previous ISO image. But that's not all. This latest ISO snapshot is the first to introduce the Linux 6.8 kernel series, ensuring better hardware support. In addition to kernel upgrades, this release has an updated Archinstall menu-based installer, version 2.7.2. This will enhance the support for unified kernel images, add helpful parameters like skip NTP, replace Plasma Wayland with Plasma Workspace, and even bring improvements to translations and locales. So if you want to get your hands on this latest release, head over to the official website for download. So that was all for today. Hope you will explore these new releases and features, and don't forget to check out our course. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates.